Hey Mike, my name is Jeff, and I'm currently a 21-year-old on my last year of college right now. The best thing about this program was that you haven't made me doubt for a single second that I could become a millionaire at a young age and give myself and my family the life that we deserve. My biggest challenge from before the program actually started was believing and investing in myself because of the money and just certain doubts that I had. But you and the B&B Blueprint have helped me solve it because you consistently are always in the group chats saying how everybody can do it. There are testimonies in the group chats as well every single day that I go through and I look at and I can see in real time all of the investments being made, whether it be at 1 o'clock in the morning or 10 p.m. at night. I can always see everybody consistently going out and reaching out to you guys for the help and the betterment of our future.